concept of a light tank dates back to the interwar era when various nations saw a potential need for an armored vehicle, sometimes described as a tankette, that could be used to exploit breakthroughs in enemy lines that were created by slower but heavier tanks. These lightly armed but fast-moving tanks could disrupt communications and supply lines, and quickly flee from a fight if necessary. The United States Army has been exploring how light tanks could be used in the 21st century via its Mobile Protected Firepower (MPF) program. And this week it was announced that General Dynamics Land Systems (GDLS) has been awarded a $1.14 billion contract to produce and field up to 96 new vehicles. The award was made just days after the Army closed out the MPF middle-tier acquisition rapid prototyping phase and transitioned to a major capability acquisition program with a favorable Milestone C decision, the incremental step in the Department of Defense's DoD's acquisition process that moves into the production and deployment phase. The MPF program did exactly what the Army asked, which was to complete a competitive and accelerated rapid prototyping effort with soldier touchpoints, explained Doug Bush, Assistant Secretary of the Army for Acquisition, Logistics and Technology, and the Army's acquisition executive. MPF is a benchmark program, as the acquisition and requirement communities work together to complete the middle-tier acquisition rapid prototyping phase and move this system into production in just under 4 years. The MPF is meant to provide infantry brigades greater survivability while providing the ability to identify threat systems earlier and at greater distances, yet would not restrict movement in off-road terrain. MPF will further allow U.S. warfighters to move at a faster pace, protecting the assaulting force. MPF represents a new capability for the Army, allowing our light maneuver forces to overmatch adversaries. Through multiple soldier touchpoints, our soldiers have operated the prototypes and provided crucial feedback to the design team, ensuring our forces will have the asset they need on the future battlefield. Maj. Egan Ross Kaufman, director of the Next Generation Combat Vehicles Cross-Functional Team.